How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to try to use a couple products to get up oil stains. So I'm going to show you which two products we're going to use, and then we're going to run it on a test sample outside where's some oil stains at from my truck, and hopefully one or both of them will do a really good job and you guys can see the difference. So let me show you what I'm using first. So first up, we got this concrete driveway power washing. It says it cuts through oil and grease stains. So the instructions read basically 7 ounces per gallon. Mixed it up in this 1 gallon sprayer I got at Lowe's, and we've used this a little bit, so I'm going to add some Dawn dish soap to it also. So we're going to take this off. Set this aside, and this is a Dawn dish soap. We're going to try, see if this does anything for it. We're just going to put a few squirts. And put the lid back in. Just trying to mix it up a little bit. Alright, so got that mix shaken up, and the next product that we're going to try out is Industrial Purple Degreaser. So should be pretty good, but we've not tried it yet, but we're going to see what it does, the difference. So these are the two products that we will be using. Diluted that 1 gallon, and I use 8 ounces of this plus a couple squirts of Dawn dish soap in the spray bottle. This we don't have to mix right now. Bought a small bottle just to see how well it does before we buy a bigger bottle, because these come in 1 gallons, and I think I even seen like a 35 gallon one. So now let's go see the oil stain that we're dealing with. Alright, so these are the oil stains that we're dealing with. Not too bad, but nonetheless, want to get this cleaned up. And it's a good way to test and see if either one of these does anything for dried up oil stains. So I'm going to put some masking tape down the middle, and then I'm going to spray each one of these and see if one or both does a good job. Okay, I try to put it down as center as possible. So put you guys on the tripod, and we'll spray and scrub it in and see what the results are. Alright, so that's the line. We're going to start with the concrete cleaner. Get it all nice and soaked up. Now we're going to scrub it in a little bit. Looks like it might be doing something. Okay, now we're going to try that out. Rinse up the broom so that way the other chemical is not added or taken away from what this one should do. Okay, we're going to let those set for about 5 minutes. And we're going to see what they look like after we rinse them off. Be back in just 5 minutes. Alright. 5 minutes exact. So now, which one of these did a better job? What do you guys think? Pause the video, leave a comment before you see if either one of these do a good job or not. I want to see what everybody thinks. I'm not for sure, but I'd love to see what your guys' thought is before we see which one truly works better, or if neither one of them work. So I'm going to leave the bottles there so that way you know the left side is the concrete and driveway and the right side is the purple degreaser. So I'm just going to use a garden hose, so I'm not going to use any pressure or nothing. So this is, keep that in mind too. I'm just using a garden hose. I'm not going to use a pressure washer or anything for this trial. If you guys want to see it with the pressure washer and stuff, let me know. I'll do another video, but this one I'm just going to use garden hose. Okay, I'm going to rinse off the concrete one first. Okay, there's that. Kind of hard to see if there's actually any. There's a little bit of difference. You can see it cleaned up some over there, but I'm not sure it got the oil very well. So let's look at the purple degreaser. Well, what are you guys thinking? Thinking neither one of them did a good job? Gonna let it dry, and then come back in about an hour or something once it's dry, and we'll see what it looks like dry. I'm gonna leave that tape there so we know which side is what. Stay tuned. Okay, it's been just over an hour. It's drying up. You can kind of see the difference. Get a closer look. So which one is it? Left or right? Purple or concrete? Leave it in the comments section which one you think did a better job of cleaning the oil stains up. Or if you don't think either one of them did a good job, let me know. Maybe you got a better suggestion. I'd love to hear it. Till next time, guys. Later, everyone.